Do you have to work with Claimify in your long-term disability claim? Has your disability carrier like Reliance, Standard, Lincoln, or Unum sent you a letter that says, guess what? We've partnered with a company called Claimify, and we're going to track the status of your Social Security disability benefits. And we're going to ask you to sign and date and return an authorization form. And we're going to ask you to enroll in the Claimify platform. Now, I'm getting calls and copies of these letters from people all across the United States asking two primary questions. The first question is, what should I do? And the second is, will I lose my benefits if I don't cooperate with this? I've got answers for you. Let's first talk about what is Claimify. Now, Claimify is a company that is being hired by disability insurance carriers, and Claimify will advertise on their website that they are a leading tech-enabled fulfillment partner offering innovative solutions to the disability insurance industry. And it's a bridge between people receiving disability benefits and insurers providing those benefits. Now, it allegedly streamlines benefit validation, settlement facilitation, digital documentation, and Social Security disability processing. Nothing is further from the truth. And quite frankly, I don't even think they can explain what they do in English. They certainly don't facilitate anything in the Social Security disability world. But all these are code words, and they're code words for a quest for information that's going to serve the purposes of the disability insurance company. So what are the two things that disability carriers want Claimify to obtain from you? Well, many ERISA disability policies or plans require that you apply for Social Security disability benefits. Why? The Social Security disability benefits are generally an offset that reduces the amount of your long-term disability benefits dollar for dollar by what you or your dependents get in the receipt of Social Security disability benefits. So obviously, the disability carrier wants to know what's going on with your Social Security disability claim because they want to pay as little as possible as soon as possible. So they're after this financial information. They want access to your Social Security file for a couple of reasons. In the Social Security file, they'll have information regarding your average current earnings, and your amount of your benefits is based on that number. They want to know, hey, do we have the right to an offset? How much? And by the way, guess what? You owe us money back. So let me give you an example. Let's say you were found you applied for Social Security benefits as of January 1st, 2022. Now it can take 16, 18, or 24 months to get a Social Security disability claim approved. In the meantime, your disability carrier might be paying you long-term disability benefits without an offset. And when you're awarded Social Security disability benefits, there is a 5-month waiting period. So in my example, if you said I'm disabled as of January 1st, your benefits are granted, you're not going to be able to collect benefits for at least 5 months. So if you were awarded benefits as of June of 2024, the disability carrier is going to say, wait a second, from the time you claimed that you were disabled through the time your benefits were awarded, you owe us money back, and we want that payment back immediately, but we'll give you the 5-month credit because you weren't getting benefits for those 5 months. Now, the disability carrier is going to say, give me all of your money back, but they're also going to reduce your monthly benefits. So it's a double whammy. And, they want their money back. And they will readily admit that they are using Claimify to track the status of your Social Security claim, and that it's important that they verify your Social Security information to ensure that they continue to administer your long-term disability benefits correctly. In other words, code language for money. We want the offset, we want to recoup what we've overpaid, and we want to do it as quickly as possible. How about number 2? There's a goldmine of information that can be used to terminate your disability insurance benefits. What is it? Well, when you give them access to your Social Security disability file, they're going to be using information in that file to determine what the basis of the Social Security award was and whether or not they may have a reason to deny or terminate your benefits. Form 831 in a Social Security disability file is a gold mine of information. Form 831 documents by codes the medical conditions for which you were awarded your Social Security disability benefits. Now, they're going to be looking for a code for mental and nervous conditions because many disability policies or plans have a mental nervous policy limitation that will limit the payment of benefits to just 2 years. So the carrier is looking at the Social Security Administration file and their reasoning in awarding benefits as a grounds for terminating your benefits. Now, if you've had a hearing in front of a Social Security judge, the carrier or the plan is going to pick that decision apart, looking for reasons to support a claims denial. Yes, Form 831 also has some other information that the carrier is looking for. It discloses the identity of the person at Disability Determination Services, DDS, or the Social Security Administration who is assigned to your file and who made the decision, or is going to make the decision. Guess what they're doing? They're getting on the phone with that person in an effort to persuade them to reach a decision on your claim that will meet their needs to limit the payment of your disability benefits. So they really want to sell the fact that either you've got a subjective medical condition, which is the basis of the award, or a mental nervous condition, which is the basis of the award. So they can say, we just owe 2 years worth of benefits. Now, the disability carrier or the plan isn't going to tell you any of that in that letter they sent asking you to authorize access to the file. And of course not. So the question is, should I sign that authorization form? Should I let Claimify have access to my Social Security disability file? Hell no. I've never seen anything in a disability policy or plan that requires you to sign authorization releasing Social Security disability information from a Social Security file. So unless it's in the policy, unless it's in the plan, they can't deny your claim because you refuse to sign a form. They just can't make you do something that the plan does not require you to do. It's as simple as that. They're asking, in my view, for a license to get information that they're not necessarily entitled to, and in a format that it allows them to talk to people that they shouldn't be talking to in an effort to influence the decision-making process. I'm telling my clients no, and we're sending the disability adjuster an email saying, look, we're not signing this authorization form. There's nothing in the policy or plan that says we have to, so we're not. Don't run scared. Don't give the disability carrier or the plan access to information that they're going to use to ultimately reduce your benefits and or terminate your benefits. Call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation. I can help you get the disability benefit you deserve regardless of where you live in the United States.